Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna cook steak and I'm gonna share with you two of my favorite sauce, which is the red wine sauce and the white wine sauce. And you can actually do this and cook this for steak and it's absolutely delicious, and you have two different options in here, which is fantastic. So I have a guest coming in my house, which is my neighbor, and I am really excited to cook for them. So we are gonna do it step by step, and you can actually cook this and it's really easy, it's very simple, and your family gonna love it at home, and it's gonna be a great dinner, and I bet you on that. So let's not waste any more time. Let's do it, let's cook. So before I cook the steak, I went to my local butcher shop. I'm looking for a tenderloin beef, and has to be bought the same day as I need it fresh to cook it beautifully at home. Now everything is set up and I'm ready to cook the perfect steak. First, so we're gonna crush garlic. Oh, nice. Touch of olive oil. Put it nicely even in a pan. Add garlic and shallots until it cooks well and smells good. White wine here. Now it's a great idea to lower the heat, as we want the alcohol to reduce. When it started to reduce, add this cooking cream inside. I'm using an Beurre brand in here, as it's my favorite and it tastes absolutely delicious. I personally like to add several herbs in here. It's just give a different and unique taste for the steak sauce. Mix it all up. Lemon juice here. And we're gonna slice some butter for the finishing of this too delicious sauce. The butter. 1 and 2 butter. Now mix it up slowly with a low heat and make sure you get that kind of texture, and that's what you want to get. That is really delicious. With lemon inside, you have that touch of herbs and the creamy taste of it. It's just absolutely delicious. Olive oil inside, and shallots goes first. I'm gonna put a red wine inside. So this one's new, so I just have to open it. Using the same method as the white wine sauce, don't forget to lower the heat and reduce the liquid. Now we are gonna add beef stock, and the idea of this is that we don't want the wine to be too strong, so the beef stock is there to balance the taste. So we're just gonna get 1 teaspoon of tomato paste here. The idea of adding tomato paste is to thicken the sauce and to maintain the color of it, as we want it to stay red. Now I like to put a little bit of brown sugar just to make it balanced, so there's a little bit of sweetness in it. Mix it up until it gets thick. To check if the sauce is properly cooked, just slide your spoon on the pan, and when you see a line and the thickness of the sauce is evenly incorporated, then you're ready to finish it off with butter to get that rich texture. Goes in. The other one as well, we have 2 butters here. You want the sauce to be a little bit thickened and have a rich, beautiful texture like this. Now add a little bit of salt and pepper, have a good mix, and don't forget to taste the sauce before you serve. The key to get a beautiful, delicious steak is to season it well with salt and pepper on every side of the beef. Don't worry if you add more salt and pepper than usual, as it's going to lose about 30% of its seasoning when you cook. When you put the beef, always place it from the front to the back. Leave it and let it cook. When it's done, give it a rest for 5 to 10 minutes so you won't lose the juice inside the steak. Now my guests are all here and we are ready to eat this delicious dish. Well, look at the juice in there. It's just as beautiful as it looks. I love mine to be about medium, and that is the perfect steak for me. And nothing beats a delicious steak to enjoy over dinner with friends.